Labadiena, gerbiami žiūrovai, Šiaulių miesto centrinis stadionas, Baltijos moterų futbolo lyga ir šeimininkių teisėmis žaidžianti FK Gintra. Flora, Talino, 4 rungtynės savotiškų namų darbų, ten 3 šiaulietės prie tolimo virpsto. Numestas kamuolys ar bus smūgis, smūgiuoja 64 komandos kapitonas Algimantė Mikutaitė. Pasiekė Latvių vartininkė kamuolį, Gelaitas perdamas ir į pirmasis įvartis. Elena Peibodė, 12 numeris, 7 minutę pasižymė. Na ir dėkoja, aišku, ir Kumelėliai Šamasiai. Dabargi vėl standartinė situacija ir matėm, kad Gintra turi tikrai paruošusi. Dabar jau kur kas toliau skrieja kamuolys ir rezultatas tampa 1-1. Štai taip, Liepojos ekipai daug nereikėjo ir rezultatas lyginamas. Šios dienos rungtynėse labai geras Romanovskos perdavimas. Na ir turėtų būti nebloga ataka, Šamasė smūgiuoja ir rezultatas tampa 2-1. Ir viskas čia prasidėjo išties graži kombinacija. Antras įmuštas įvartis. Na ir turbūt transliacijos režisierius vėl perdamas ir vėl ataka. Dabar Kazarina perdamas, labai gražus epizodas ir dėjo turbūt tapti 3-1, bet į ranką pataikė kamuolys. Dabar atrodo gerai išsipainiota iš spaudimo pinklių. Šamasės perdavimas, Kazarina siunčia kamuolį Agniešką į vartus ir rezultatas tampa 3-1. Vėl puikiai kombinacija. Žvilgtelėjo Latvių gynėjas, galvojo galbūt, kad nuošaliai, bet situacijos yra pakankamai galingas ir pavojingas ginklas. Geras kamuolio permetimas, smūgis iš oro šalia vartų. Latvių bandymas atsakyti. Taitė, Telytė, Gaukina. Geras Marijos Gaukinos perdavimas, smūgis, Baronina demonstruoja, kad gerai. Labai techniškas lietimas. Ir matosi, kad techninis arsenalas išties turtingas. Romanovskė veržiasi Terezai baudos aikštelę, perdavimas greta gynėjų ir vartininkės. Na ir ketvirtasis įvartis ir vėl Kumelėlė Šamasė muša antrą įvartį, bet vėl šį kartą jau tiesiogiai prie įvarčio prisidėjo Tereza Romanovskė. Na, išskirčiau šiose rungtynėse, aišku, gal ir nebuvo čia. Gal ir varžovės nebuvo pačios stipriausios, bet visas komandas reikia gerbti, visas reikia.
So coach, congratulations with the victory. What did you want from your team in this match?
Yeah, we know that actually that Liepoja is quite good in set pieces. Okay, they scored 1 goal from that. But yeah, we wanted to have a improvement after the last week games. We think about more like we saw that they will leave spaces for the on-ball side, that we can use it. We didn't use it the first half, but the second half was way better. And what we talk about halftime, they did the switches and that worked. So yeah, I want to in generally improvement after the Hegelmann game, and I think we made it. So this is the next step in the process. So nothing special.
Your team today scored quite good combinated goals. Did you happy for that?
Yes, I'm very happy because we have went through that past last 2-3 weeks. But yeah, I'm very happy that it's not always coming from the set pieces or the transition, that we can also build up with the ball, with the after the position as well. But of course, we need to be. The next step is we need to be more clinical in the box. That we know that. Maybe in the top games, in Champions League mini tournament, you don't get 10 chances to score. So we need to be more clinical. But that is coming. But the main thing is now that we get so many entrances in the box and we score 4 goals.
Do you agree that today one of the best player in the match was Teresa Romanovskaya?
Yes, I agree. I think there's we had many quite equal players. Teresa played good. She's good because the capacity for running is very good. Of course, also for her in the second half was many or like few mistakes, but she improved from my point of view to the second half. But yeah, I can agree that.
Okay, coach. So, what is your specific ideas of this match?
Well, we knew before the game that it's going to be really, really hard. That we will play against, I don't know how many times, Lithuanian champions, and it's a professional team. We have to travel, we have to play on grass because we train on artificial pitches. So before the game, we already knew that we will have to defend a lot. But overall, I'm very satisfied with what we showed today. I think the dedication, the attitude, and the energy we showed all through the game, I think it was really good. And of course, it was really hard to attack. We knew that we will have to counter-attack or hope for set pieces. It actually worked out in the first half. We didn't have any good counter-attacks, but we had these 2 set pieces and we managed to score from them. So that was a good thing. Then in the second half as well, because we have a really young team. I think we were counting before the game. It was like 9 girls they're eligible to play for under 16s as well. So I'm really proud of them. I think we showed really, really good character today.
In your team playing only local players, no international players, and it's not so easy to be competitive in the Baltic League when you don't have international players, yes?
Yeah, you're exactly right, because if someone comes from a different city to Liepāja, that's already good. It's like having an international player for us. So yeah, it's all our resources, what we have in the club. So yeah, we knew it's going to be tough in the Baltic League because many teams can now afford to have a few foreigners in. So and we can't, but we use this tournament just to gain a lot of experience for young players. So it was good.